Have you ever wondered what the perfect camera for both photography and videography might look like? A camera that blends speed, precision, and cutting-edge technology into one powerful device? Well, Canon might have just created it with the EOS R6 Mark III. This highly anticipated release is making waves in the photography community, sparking debates on whether it could be the ultimate DSLR killer. But what makes it so special? Let's break it down. Imagine being out on a shoot, capturing fast-paced action, maybe a wildlife scene where every millisecond counts, or a wedding where emotions unfold in an instant. The last thing you want is a camera that struggles to keep up. That's where the rumored 24-megapixel stacked backside illuminated BSI sensor, the R6 Mark III, comes in. Borrowed from Canon's high-end EOS R3, this sensor is designed for rapid data readout, dramatically reducing rolling shutter effects. For sports photographers and filmmakers who rely on split-second precision, this is a game-changer. The leap from the previous model standard sensor to this advanced technology means not only faster performance, but also better low-light capabilities, an essential upgrade for those who shoot in challenging lighting conditions. Video capabilities have always been a strong suit for Canon's mirrorless lineup, and the R6 Mark III is expected to push those boundaries even further. Imagine shooting in stunning 4K at 120 frames per second. Think of the silky smooth slow-motion footage that filmmakers dream of. And if the speculated 6K raw recording becomes a reality, we're looking at an unprecedented level of detail and creative flexibility in post-production. High-resolution video demands fast storage, and if Canon includes CF Express card support, creators will enjoy ultra-fast data transfers, ensuring they never miss a shot due to slow processing speeds. On top of that, the inclusion of Canon log profiles will allow videographers to capture maximum dynamic range, giving them full control over their color grading in post-production. Autofocus is another area where Canon has continuously set the bar high, and the R6 Mark III is rumored to take it even further. Dual-pixel autofocus has been a fan favorite for its accuracy and speed, but this new iteration might include AI-driven subject detection. Imagine being a wildlife photographer trying to capture a bird in flight or a motorsport enthusiast tracking a high-speed race car. The improved subject detection could mean effortless tracking of moving subjects, ensuring sharp, focused shots every time. Enhanced eye and face detection will also be a major win for portrait photographers, ensuring that every shot captures perfect detail, even in complex compositions. Under the hood, the camera is expected to be powered by Canon's latest DigicX processor. If you're unfamiliar with what that means, think of it as the brain that handles everything: image processing, autofocus calculations, noise reduction, and video encoding. A more powerful processor translates to faster performance, lower noise in low-light conditions, and an overall smoother shooting experience. This upgrade positions the R6 Mark III as a serious contender against other high-end mirrorless cameras from Sony, Nikon, and Fujifilm, all while maintaining a competitive price point. Reports suggest it will fall between $2,500 and $3,000. A sweet spot for professionals and enthusiasts alike who want premium features without breaking the bank. Of course, timing is everything. Canon is expected to announce the R6 Mark III in late 2024, with availability in early 2025. But here's the tricky part. If it arrives too soon after the R6 Mark II, it might frustrate recent buyers who invested in the previous model. On the other hand, if Canon delays it too much, potential customers might explore other brands instead. It's a delicate balance, but if the rumors hold true, this camera could solidify Canon's position as a leader in the mirrorless market. The excitement around the Canon EOS R6 Mark III isn't just about the specs. It's about how it will shape the creative possibilities for photographers and videographers. Whether you're a wedding shooter needing reliable autofocus, a content creator pushing the limits of video quality, or a nature photographer capturing once-in-a-lifetime moments, this camera is shaping up to be a tool that elevates creativity to new heights. The integration of AI-driven features and cutting-edge sensor technology signals Canon's commitment to the future of imaging. So, Is the Canon EOS R6 Mark III the DSLR killer? It certainly looks like it has the potential to redefine what we expect from a mirrorless camera. But we'll have to wait for its official release to see if it lives up to the hype. What do you think? Are these rumored features enough to make you consider an upgrade? Let me know in the comments below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.